3, 2, 1, let's go! Bula! Woo!
Good morning, day one in Fiji. Just arrived last night. Today we're heading to Malamala Beach Club. Looks really cool. Looks sick. I think you can snorkel there and chill and stuff.
Yeah, we've just had breakfast and then we're gonna get picked up in a minute. I think they're on their way now.
Just missed the bloody bus.
Not
All Georgie's fault.
But it's not.
Well, it is. Right, we're at the place. We don't know if we've missed the bus or not.
I think we probably have. They were supposed to pick us up like 15 minutes ago.
The bus is here. Hi mate, you okay?
Yeah, good.
Hola!
Sucks to be them at the back.
Step, welcome tomorrow.
Thank you, thank you.
Mind your step, thank you.
Just got to Malamala Beach Club. I've had to leave Georgie behind though, because there was a rush to get off to get the bloody sunbeds. So Georgie's all the way back there. I don't actually know where she is. Secured the best beds on the joint. I'm just having to do a voiceover then because there was copyright music playing in the background, but all I was saying is that it takes around 20 minutes to walk around the whole island, and that there's 2 pools on the island. One of them is adults only, so just check which one you're allowed to go in with your kids if you're going with children. And also that there's quite a few sunbeds, but double check which ones you have to pay for and which ones are free before you just lie on them. It's all pretty much the same around the island, but you come to this side, which is just after the second pool, a nice little beach bit and nice place to swim. So if you continue walking around, then you'll end up back at the jetty. Nice little cool swing there. I'll have a little go on that. And then just after that, by the jetties, where you can rent the kayaks and the paddle boards, and that's what me and George are going to be doing now. Time for a little go on this swing then.
So we've just come out on the kayak. Lovely day for it. We said we would never go on a kayak again, didn't we, Max?
Yeah, we did.
We fall out every time we go on one, but so far we've been alright.
Yeah, no falling out today,
Yeah.
oh George.
We just saw like a little
Turtle or something down there.
ray or something.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Yeah, we're just chilling on the kayak.
Same again, there was copyrighted music playing, but in this clip I was just saying how I'm about to go snorkeling. On this snorkeling little trip then I saw some great fish all around the reef, and if you like snorkeling here then it's a great place to come in Fiji because it's got loads of cool fish.
The lunch was really good and was fairly priced. I had the chicken skewers and Max had the sliders. The next clip is Joe, who works here, and he's going to give some brief information about Malamala Beach Club.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Bula, and welcome to another lovely day here at the Malamala Beach Club. It's your one and only, aka Coconut Joe. Well, basically my name is Chavaka, but I'm also known as Coconut Joe here at the Malamala Beach Club Resort. So ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon I'm going to give you a brief information on a few things or what you can do around the Malamala Beach Club Island Resort. So basically Malamala Beach Club Resort, ladies and gentlemen, it's an island which is just off the port of Denarau. It basically takes you around 30 to 45 minutes to get to this lovely island. So if you've never been to Fiji, if you're thinking of planning of coming to Fiji in the near future, I would highly recommend Malamala Beach Club as one of your trip destination, right? And if you ever make your time to come over to Malamala Beach Club Resort, make sure to check me out. My name is Chowak again, aka Coconut Joe.
So that's Joe then, one of the workers. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. We have a video on South Sea Island coming out soon, so if you're interested in that one, definitely check it out.
Bye.